What if your next big investment not only padded your portfolio but healed the planet? In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how to turn American dollars into nature's superhero cape before it's too late. By 2030, we're on track to lose 1 million species. Ever wonder what that does to your bottom line? As ecosystems collapse, so does the stability of global markets. If you're sitting on the sidelines, you're literally betting against the planet and your future wealth. But here's the plot twist. Finance is waking up. Nature-positive investing is projected to become a $1 trillion annual market by 2025. This isn't altruism, it's alpha. The companies restoring mangroves and regenerating soil are also delivering market-beating returns. Ready to dive in? Here are 3 nature-positive opportunities primed for 2025. Spend your investment dollars where they matter most. Imagine a farm that boosts soil carbon and your ROI. Yes, really? Regenerative agriculture focuses on no-till practices and cover crops that actually draw carbon from the atmosphere. Companies like Indigo Ag have seen revenues surge 30% year over year. Demand for climate-smart coffee and wheat is outpacing supply. Get in now or watch retail prices double. What do coral reefs and your portfolio have in common? Protection value. Insurers are underwriting mangrove restoration to buffer storm surge and selling carbon credits on the side. Singapore's Temasek-backed ventures are already proving 12% IRRs. Flood damage costs are rising 25% per decade. These products don't just feel good, they hedge catastrophic losses. Your city's next skyscraper might be a tree. Municipalities are auctioning air quality credits tied to urban forests. Think cap and trade for oxygen. In New York, a pilot project showed every dollar invested planted 10 trees, cutting particulate matter by 15%. With more Americans living in cities than ever, the race for cleaner air is also a race to profit. Shh, this one's low-key. Funds that only buy properties hitting net zero emissions by 2030, from solar rooftops to geothermal heating. These real estate REITs are insulated against energy price shocks and deliver steady 7 to 9% yields. Imagine locking in safe income and bragging rights for saving the planet. Double win. Ready to build the ultimate nature-positive portfolio? Step 1. Allocate 20% to regenerative ag ETFs. Step 2. Dedicate 15% to nature-based insurance bonds. Step 3. Put 10% into urban forestry credits. Bonus, scoop up carbon-neutral REITs to round out the mix. With policy incentives rolling out this summer, gatekeepers won't let wholesale prices stay low for long. Act now. You've just unlocked the blueprint for profiting while protecting our planet and securing your financial future. If you're serious about outpacing inflation and building lifelong wealth, check out our next video, How to Beat Inflation in 2025, Smart Investment Strategies. Don't just survive, thrive.